Hi everyone, this is Amy with My Plant Passion, and today I am going to replant the propagated pothos that we propagated on video a little while ago. So as you can see, these are growing very nicely. Go ahead and move that up to the camera so you can see the nice little roots on there. That's so amazing. These are by far some of the easiest plants to propagate. So I am going to dig a little hole because I want these to be up top, and these right here came from this plant. I gave it a good trim, as you can see, and because I did that, these leaves are getting bigger and they're healthier looking. So it actually does your plant justice by actually giving it a haircut every so often, because it makes it fuller looking. So it is good to do that. So we are going to go ahead and get started. So basically what I'm going to do is just kind of dig a hole and then shove them in there and give it a little bit of water when I'm done. So, because I want it to look a little fuller. Don't need that in there. A little fuller. So it looks a little better on the pot, in the pot too. Okay, go ahead and actually that could be, yeah, we'll just dig in there. Okay, so I'm just going to grab them and kind of spread them apart, I think. Like that. Yeah, I need to dig that out a little bit more, I think. There. And then if I need more dirt, I have some more dirt. Okay, that one looks pretty good. It's already starting. And these are fairly easy to just grow, so I'm not worried about it. I just kind of shoved them in there last time too, and they're just taking off. So go ahead and get them in there, in the middle. Actually, I'm going to need some more dirt. Okay, I think I'm going to put him right here. Okay, now, if they stay put, here we go. Okay, so I am going to get some more dirt, and yes, this is a Folgers can. It actually smells like coffee. I promise you it's not coffee, though. Okay, I need to prop that one up because I don't want it to grow off the side here. Oh. And I probably shouldn't have cut them so long. Sometimes, I mean, you can actually do this and put them in a smaller pot, let them get really full, and then transplant them into a bigger, like, hanging pot. And what I may do is just go ahead and kind of train it the way I want it. And I use skewers, wooden skewers, just kind of prop it up a little bit and do it that way. And actually, I think I am going to do that. So let me go ahead and grab some skewers. And these are great for basically training your plants, how you want them to grow nice and, you know, up instead of just hanging down, because you need something in the middle there. But I'm going to go ahead and go like so, and just kind of train that like so. And then when they start getting their roots established, you can take those skewers out. And again, I probably should have made smaller cuts and smaller plants, but I didn't because I wanted it to grow. And I always use, when I propagate plants, I use water because I like to see the progress. You can see the roots growing. It's just really amazing. And I've had better luck propagating things in water versus propagating things in soil, because if I do it in soil, they end up dying on me. They end up not getting enough water or too much water, and they rot. So for me, this is the easiest way to propagate your plants. And let me see what else I could do here, because I kind of want it to be a little bit more. Oh, that's actually looking pretty good. Yeah. think I might. Well, that's actually pretty good. I think I'm going to leave it like that and do one more skewer. Let's take a look here. These are all pretty good and established, so I think I'm going to take one and go like so, to where it props this one up a little bit. Maybe a little bit different. There we go. And again, these are super easy to take care of. Actually, I think I want another one, so that one's propped up. And once you get them trained, you can take these all out. Go a little closer here. There. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of water. Use my water here. And hopefully this will get bushy and grow correctly. Now again, you can take these same things and put them in a smaller pot, let them get bushy, and then transplant them. But if you're like me, you're kind of in a hurry. So you want to see growth right now. And I do. Actually, we're going to let that one go about right there because he's got a little bit of root right there. I think I'm going to cover that one up a little bit better. And again, my hands are in the dirt. I love the smell of the dirt on my hands. I just love it. It does something to my well-being. And it's just so healthy for you to find a hobby that you like this. Because it's so good for your well-being. And healthy. And plus, you're putting more oxygen in your air, in your home. And you're removing all the toxins that could possibly damage your health. So, but there is my pothos. So, this is how I did it. And again, you can let them get a little bit more roots on there. This has been sitting for a little while. Again, I did a video on taking cuttings off of this plant previously, and those are the cuttings that I used. So thank you again so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and like our channel, and remember, for your mind, body, and soul to play in the dirt. Bye for now.